What's up guys, welcome to GuruTech Solutions Cisco networking training. Under this series of training we are going to look at CCNA training in depth. So before we begin our training, let us look through what we have for you guys. So this is about us. We are just a student-based startup that guides fellow students and other IT enthusiasts on computer networking. We started way back in 2019 while still at campus. The group initially by 2020 had 3 tutors and more than 100 members. Helped coach these students on networking basic techniques and some other real-world networking projects. Let's go. The about training. The training will be recorded, the videos will be uploaded to YouTube, and the links will be sent to our WhatsApp group that we created earlier. The study materials will include short notes, videos, and group discussion that will be in WhatsApp. The fee will be free of charge. We don't charge any student for our training, and the trainers will be GuruTech tutors. And it will be open for everyone's contribution. If you feel that there is a point that you have left out, join. And the language will be strictly English. Skill required, just a beginner. Our motivation is consistency, dedication, desire to learn. Let's go. Well, we'll cover mostly 4 topics. The first one will be introduction to networking. Under this we'll have theory and some practical parts during subnetting. Then part 2 we'll train users how to use Cisco Packet Tracer. There will be a bit of theory and much of practicals. In part 3 basically it will be switching. We'll train you what a switch is, to switching technologies, so that will involve bit of theories and too much of practical, because this is where our discussion is based in majorly. Switching and routing. So the switching and routing theories will be not much, but the practical will be too much. So I hope you understand what I mean. Then after every topic, let's say after part 3 we'll have a major project, a switching project. After part 4 we'll have a major routing project. Then we'll look at some case studies and do projects based on these case studies. We have worked on several networking projects, so we'll show our learners in the case studies and build a network topology based on the case studies. And let's go. Why do you want to study with us? Why you must study with us? We are network specialists. We don't charge any fee. We were trained by a networking professor, Professor Sorab, from May 2019 to April 2020. He's a great man. The group is open to contribution, to members' contribution, not money, but contribution of your idea. We help you pass your CCNA exams. We give you theoretical and practical skills. And we offer you some major real-world networking projects. What we are not. We don't charge our students money. We are not profit generation, startup or company. Basically we don't like lazy students. And we still do not offer certification. So these are the points that students are really encouraged to understand. Some were asking if we are offering certification. No, we don't steal. we are also students, and we like sharing ideas. So this startup was basically made to share idea. So we have 4 objective questions that users are encouraged to implement at the end of the training. Do you want to move from a beginner to intermediate network engineer? At the end of the training, you shall have answered that question. Do you want to become a successful network engineer? Yes, you want, because at the end of the training, you shall have become a successful network engineer. Do you want to pass your CCNA exam? Of course, everyone wants to pass an exam. So at the end of the training, you shall have learned every way possible, the techniques, the theory part, and the practical parts that can guide you to pass your CCNA global exam. Do you want to deal with the real networking project successfully? Of course, we shall be providing real networking projects based on several case studies that we have handled, and we'll be working on those case studies, demonstrating to students how we are working on them, so that they can understand and start their own, or build a network based on a sample case study that they might find somewhere. Yeah, so let's go forward. Oh, that's the end. Good luck, students, and let's meet when the class begins. Thank you. See you later.